Okay, so our steak and our potatoes, our upscale steak and potatoes are almost done. They're finishing off in the oven. So we're going to make our chimichurri sauce, okay? So this sauce is actually from Argentina, sometimes used in Uruguay, but it's typically used for meat. So whether it's seared on top or grilled, this is the perfect condiment or sauce. It can be either way. All right, so we have some beautiful, beautiful greenery here. Nice fresh herbs. We have some cilantro. This is parsley, little baby parsley. We have oregano. It's down off in here deep. Let me dig it out. Nice fresh oregano.
Oh,
right? Fresh oregano. We
farm
have
to table.
Yeah. Literally from farm to table, right? We have some garlic. Again, we both love garlic, so that's good. Yeah. We have a shallot that has been peeled right here. And then we have jalapeno.
Nice.
All right. So let's see. Can you hand me that small knife over there?
Of course.
We're going to go ahead and start building the ingredient. Thank you, darling. So what I need you to do is go ahead and put all of the fresh herbs in there.
Just whole?
Yeah, just dump them in there.
Okay.
And I'm going to give these guys just a rough chop. So I'll go in opposite of you. There you go. Yeah, get it in there just like that. All right, let me get some of this jalapeno in here.
Cooking can be fun. I'm not gonna
I
lie.
am totally missing. Are you guys catching this? I like totally missed the thing. There, yeah, get all that in there.
All the herbs.
There we go. Okay, now I need you to shake some crushed. How do you like heat? Let me ask you that first.
I can handle heat.
You can handle heat?
Yeah.
All right. So
How
I'm gonna get
spicy
my
are we
shallot
going?
in here. Let's do
Am I gonna regret that?
2 shakes. I don't know. You might.
1, 2.
Oh, okay. I like your 2. That's good. She's a little light on that, but that's okay. All right. So I'm gonna have you go in with the red wine vinegar.
Okay. How much
Okay.
of this?
So I need you to see. You're a bartender, so I'm gonna. Let's
do measurements.
We're gonna freestyle this. We're not measuring. We're not doing any of that.
All
so I
right.
need you to go 1 and 2.
All right.
1. Yes.
2.
Pro. Alrighty. She's here for my job. I know that.
I'm cooking. I'm here for a job. I gotta learn a few things first.
Oh goodness. No, she's doing a fabulous job. Okay. So now I'm going in with extra virgin olive oil. Okay. So I'm gonna go in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Nice.
There we go. Now
This
how
looks
about?
good.
I know, right? Wait till you taste it on the ribeyes, honey.
Ooh.
Trust me when I say this is the perfect combination. All right. Last but not least, I'll trade you. Can you put a couple of sprinkles of the Himalayan pink salt right on there?
All right.
Yep. There you go. All right.
More?
No, actually, that's pretty good.
All right.
Yeah. All right, now it's time to blend everything together. Give it a little shake. It's going to get loud, guys. All right, close your ears.
I was not expecting this color.
Exactly. So that's why we didn't have to chop the herbs. We let our machine do all the work for us,
This
right?
is nice. This looks like a green.
Oh my gosh.
Just
absolutely.
the picture of health.
Wonderful. Look at the color.
Let me smell.
You want to smell it? Doesn't it smell good?
You got
Right?
What?
Right?
What did I just make? Can we
Oh my god.
take it back? Can we rewind?
Oh, yes, I'm so here for this. So here for it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let this set aside. We're going to pull our steak and potatoes out.
And let 'em rest.
Right? Yeah, we're going to let them rest for a few minutes.
I don't know
And
if I
then you are going to make us a drink. This is your time to shine, honey. All right?